Hi everyone, I'm Akriti from DNA Growth, and I have with me a very celebrated dietitian and wellness guru, Dr. Upma Ralhan from Livin Healthcare. Hi ma'am, it's a pleasure having you here today.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I hope that you're doing well as well. Ma'am, tell us about yourself first. What made you venture into this wellness and nutrition space? What was your inspiration? Tell us about it.
Yeah. Basically, I am a physician by profession,
Okay.
anesthesiologist, but I was like very much interested in nutrition from the very start. Like I was reading a lot of nutrition books and diet books and health books.
Yeah.
So ultimately, my husband is a heart surgeon.
Okay.
So we have a lot of heart problems. Like there are so many health issues going on because of the lifestyle. So I wanted to venture into this field for so long, but I
Yeah.
was busy in my profession. So ultimately, I ventured into this
Yeah.
line slowly and slowly. I am a full profession now because I want to teach people how to live life with proper
Yeah.
nutrition and proper taking care of your health properly so that the diseases can be prevented. That is the main motto of my life now.
Yeah, and I think it's about time that people start caring about healthy living, right? The times that we are living in, it's necessary more than ever. How long
Yeah,
has
that's
it been you in this field?
actually practically now officially I am for the last 1 year, but
Okay.
I've been doing this for last 10 years. Like
Okay.
yeah.
So up until now, since you have been in this field for about 10 years, so what changes have you seen in people's attitude? Is there more awareness about nutrition and wellness treatments now?
Actually, there are two sides of the coin. On one side, people are going into sedentary lifestyle, and they are taking a lot of fast foods, and because people are using more cars, more scooters, more elevators, so that way the lifestyle has changed now. But otherwise, few percentage of people now are becoming aware also.
Yeah.
Like thoda articles and journals, and because of the media, people are becoming more aware. So there, but the percentage is very less, but they don't get the right information because
That's
they go on YouTube, they go on Google, get the wrong information about
yeah.
keto diets, fast diets, and intermittent fasting. So they are not good. So people need the right coaching. That
Yeah.
is important.
I think that's quite important because it's a scientific discipline and people need to understand the right way to practice a healthy dietary plan, right? So, yeah, I
Yeah.
totally get that. Could you please elaborate on the services that you provide? And we all know that this particular segment is overflowing with dietary equation these days. So, what exactly makes you stand apart?
Actually, we are not giving diet plans. Basically,
Okay,
we are coaching people.
your coaching.
Lifestyle, yeah, lifestyle change. We
Okay,
are telling people what to take in your kitchen.
okay.
Everything is available in your kitchen, but you have to see your portion size, you have to see the type of food, amount of food,
Hmm.
frequency of food,
Hmm.
everything you have to see. That is what we teach people, that like if you have to take this amount of pulses in your day, so aapko 40 gram khana hai, so in what other forms you can take it, what are the exchanges you have to see कि अगर आपको दाल नहीं खाना है तो चिकन कितना लेना है, and cereals में what amount you need. That is what is more important, because otherwise diet plans में क्या होता है कि they tell the diets, people follow diets and they forget it.
Yeah.
बाद में they come back to the same this thing. They don't know what they did in the diet plan. Like what we do, what is our USP is that we teach people and they become their own coaches.
Yeah.
That is the thing. अपने ही वो they know so much. I got a client last month. He's a 17-year-old boy. So he
Mhm.
took diet for 2 months and now he is teaching his father
Okay.
what to eat, what not to eat.
Yeah.
That is our USP.
Yeah, I think that this thing should be inculcated at a very early age because it's not a short-term thing. I think it should become the way of life, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's quite important in that way. So I think there are certain instances when there are chances that you and your client may not agree with the kind of suggestions that you're giving to them. So how do you find the middle ground in those cases?
Yeah, because the thing is, our counseling starts with what we have to eat, and why we should avoid those things. My counseling is for 1.5 hours.
Okay.
First counseling is for 1.5 hours. So I have to tell people why they have to avoid trans fats, why they have to avoid sugar. If they know all the reasons, naturally when they go out of my room, they are well aware of everything. They thank me that they didn't know anything about diet. That is the thing, because counseling is like how the bad food, trans fats, they are going to affect your arteries, and they are going to damage your arteries. When there are clots in the arteries, how they are formed, how insulin is not effective, why they are gaining weight, why they are gaining belly fat. So all the science behind those problems, there is no chance of conflict then.
Yeah, I think knowledge is the key. If they know that there's something wrong, I don't think that they'll rebel at that point. So yeah, I think that's quite important in that way. I think I am taking the liberty here to assume that there are a lot of misconceptions related to wellness treatments or dietary plans for that matter. So I think you counter such misconceptions on a daily basis. Can you give us a breakdown of things that you have heard which are absolutely not true?
Uh, Actually, people say कि protein diet है, we are taking high protein diets, we're going for keto diets. That's a fast solution. So those things actually, then I have to elaborate on all those aspects of diets, ki why they are dangerous for your health. So that I have to teach my people. So that's the thing. There is no otherwise, because if they know the science behind the thing, then they understand everything and they go happy.
Okay, all right. And I think that nutrition and wellness, it's all a scientific discipline and it's an ever evolving one. So, how do you make sure that you are up to date with whatever's happening around the world and whatever developments are happening in your discipline?
Yeah, I have got a lot of journals, and I'm a BNI member now.
Yeah,
So I can connect with the members. Like I'm connecting with the dietitians in Bombay and outside India also. So we exchange ideas, what latest is happening,
yeah,
DNA sampling, genetic counseling. So we keep on exchanging those ideas, and I keep on implementing. But basic concept of diet, because we are doctors, तो बेसिक जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो वही रहेगा कि वी हैव टू टेक दिस मच ऑफ प्रोटीन, दिस मच ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड proper balance of vitamins and nutrients. All the other diets are all commercial things. The bases remain the same.
yeah.
So we have to stick to the basis.
The principles are the same. Yeah.
Principles are the same, but otherwise, okay, there may be some exceptions. Some people are not losing weight. There may be some genetic problems, so we go for genetic counseling. Or abhi recently, I had a patient who was 160 kgs.
Okay.
So he has lost 30 kgs in 2 months.
Oh, that's great.
Without any counseling, without any genetic counseling, or with proper diet and lifestyle changes. He's further losing weight. So I'll give that testimonial later in my social media.
That's great. I was actually coming down to this question that have you had any rewarding coaching experiences? I'm certain that you have a 10-year long career. There must have been instances where testimonies must have overwhelmed you. So anything in particular that you would like to recount?
Yeah, one testimonial I got from one of my friend's son. He said that I treat my patients like mother.
Okay.
Like I counsel them, I teach them, and then I follow them. Yeah. Because whether they are doing it properly, whether they are walking, I track their exercise schedule and everything. Yeah. So we give follow-up calls so that they stick to the schedule and they lose weight.
I think that's very important. You know, you have to build that bond with your clients so that they trust your vision and make it their own, right? So that's quite important. That's impressive.
And one more I'll tell. One heart patient came to me, and ultimately the girl who came with that heart patient, she brought the whole family. Okay. She said we need counseling. We all need counseling, and all the members they came and they sat in the room for 1 hour and learned everything. That was the.
That's great. That's great. I think with COVID-19, healthy living has become more important than ever, like we established in the beginning. So, of late, have you seen any spike in numbers of people coming in for consultations and taking wellness and dietary habits seriously?
Yeah, there's a spike in the number of cases are coming. Like I had a few patient who had COVID attack, and now they are
Okay.
not feeling that much healthy. So they want to improve their health. No
Okay.
weight loss plans. They just want to improve their health.
They just
So
want to
there's
improve their health.
definitely
Of course.
people are becoming more aware now because basically immunity जो है हम कहते हैं कि immunity
But
बढ़ाना है.
hmm.
इसके लिए हमारा जो बैकबोन है वो बेसिकली बैलेंस डाइट ही है बिकॉज जो हमारे डिजीज फाइटिंग सेल्स हैं वो भी तभी दे विल बी synthesized in the body if you have proper ingredients in the body because body is a machine
Yeah.
if you don't put proper petrol proper mobil oil proper everything in that so it will not function properly तो T cells भी बनने हैं उनको भी ingredients चाहिए तो उनको exercise चाहिए sleep चाहिए stress free life चाहिए and proper nutrition चाहिए तो everything will be okay so all the diseases basically are because of imbalanced nutrition so that's the thing so that we have to take care of that.
Yeah, of course. I think everything stems from a healthy living. The moment you have a good dietary intake, you can combat any disease for that matter.
Anything.
Yeah, any disease. Yeah, true. Lastly, I would just like to ask you any message that you have for our viewers, your clients, and your potential clients.
Yeah, I'll say 5 to 7 points. That first of all, everybody knows that balanced nutrition is the solution for a healthy and long life. And don't go for fat diets. Don't go for fast diet. People say 10 kgs in a month or 4 kg. You have to lose. That I will suggest that not more than 4 kgs in a month. So that is physiological for your body, and the body will not face any problems. And have fibrous food, whole grains, and less oil, no sugary foods because that is going to cause inflammation in your body and that is going to cause all the problems when there is inflammation in your body because of sugary foods trans fats all baked products जो बाहर fry होते हैं because they refry the oil again and again and that causes toxins in that oil and that damages your arteries and cells so you have to avoid trans fats outside foods and walking. Exercise is very important because you have to oxygenate your cells also. You are giving proper nutrition, but unko oxygenate bhi karna hai, so you have to walk at least 10,000 steps in a day.
Yeah.
And you should sleep properly. 7 to 8 hours. That will
surprisingly, I do the last two things. I walk 10,000 steps a day and sleep properly. So
that's why there is a glow on your face.
Thank you so much for making time for us. This was an insightful conversation, and it was a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much.
Thanks for inviting me for sharing my views. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you.